Hello everybody, this is Dean from KD Appliance Repair. I got a Frigidaire top load washer. Customers complaining that it's making noise on the spin cycle. So we come out here and we put it on the diagnostic mode. It does make a very loud noise on the spin cycle, like a gurgling noise. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on the test mode, and I have already unhooked the belt to test the motor. It's making noise if you look in the bottom. So I removed the belt. I just want to test this motor, see if it's making noise. So here's what I'm gonna do to eliminate the problem. So the belt is, as you can see, the belt is not connected to the motor. So now we're gonna put it on the test mode. In order to put this Frigidaire style on the test mode, we're gonna press the power, soak and rinse together. All the lights gonna come on. When the lights comes on, if we press soil level, it's gonna go on agitation. But if we press on the temperature button, it's gonna go on the test mode on the spin cycle. Here's what we're gonna do. As you can see, I pressed power and these two buttons. Now we're gonna press the temperature sensor. Door is locked. Now it's gonna go on the spin cycle. Since I unhooked the belt from the motor, the cap is on. That's the noise that I'm talking about. There you go. Here's the motor. This motor needs to be replaced. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. KD Appliance Repair, Phoenix, Arizona, United States.